Hello friends, welcome to my lab. In this video, I will show you the connections of two-way switch and the controlling of a lamp from two different positions, which is mostly important for house wiring. If you love my video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Let's switch on. For making the circuit, we need two numbers of two-way switch, and you can see there are three numbers of contacts and the symbol of the switch is shown in figure. And we need a pendant lamp holder, some connecting cables and the mini flathead screwdriver, and finally an LED lamp. Before making the connection, let's understand the circuitry. First of all, the top terminals of the switch is connected, then the bottom terminals of the switch is connected. The mid terminal of the switch 1 is connected with lamp as phase, and the mid terminal of the switch 2 is connected with supply main, and the neutral will be connected directly with the lamp. Always remember, no neutral point will be connected with switch. Now let's assume the switch positions looks like this. When we connect the circuit with power supply, then the current starts flowing through the bottom contacts of the switch. Now when we press switch 1, then the position of the contact changed and the current stopped flowing and the lamp turned off. When we press switch 2 at this condition, then the position of the contact changed and the current starts flowing through the top contacts of the switches and the lamp turned on. And when we press again the switch 1, then the contact breaks and the lamp turns off. At that position, when we press switch 2, then the contact makes the circuit and the lamp turns on. Now we have to connect the switches as per our circuit diagram. You can see our main connections are done, and now we have to connect the lamp. We can connect the lamp phase terminal with any one of the mid terminal of the switch, and the another mid terminal will be connected with the supply main. Now you can see our circuit is ready to connect with the power supply, and we have to find the phase and neutral of the supply with the help of a neon tester to connect the switch with correct polarity. You can see our circuit is working properly, and we can control the lamp from two different positions easily. You can use the circuit in staircase lighting, corridor lighting, or as bed switch. Stay tuned with us. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.